Hi guys, I'm showing how to download Ringtone in your iPhone 3G, 2G, in your old iPhone. Okay, first you need MP3 MP4 converter. Also MP3 MP4 converter. Okay, I will set the link. Search www.mp3mp4.com. Okay, I'll send the link on my description. Okay, how to download it? You can buy or download. I have download free trial, 3.66 MB. I have already downloaded. Then I'll say how to download songs. You need this. And you need M4R. You need M4R iPhone ringtone. In iPhone, ringtones are used as M4R. Look, I'll show you. Look, to M4R iPhone ringtone. Select that. Okay. Then add files. Then you can download any song. Okay. Okay. Then you should convert it. This is converted to MP4 iPhone ringtone. Okay. I have by 12 version that by. So simply continue it. Okay, it's loading as start. Okay, it's finished. Just save to your documents. Okay, I'm saving this to my desktop. Okay, close it. And the help of MP3 MP4 are finished. Now you need SillySoft iPhone transfer. SillySoft iPhone transfer. This is SillySoft iPhone transfer website www.sillysoft.com/iPhone transfer.html, and you can buy our free download. I have already downloaded this. My computer is Windows 8. This is a SillySoft iPhone transfer. Click on it. SillySoft iPhone transfer. Okay. You want to connect your iPhone by this cable. You want to connect it. Then only look. Now it's connected. It's iPhone 3G. Where you can download music, movies, playlists, voice memos, books, photos, camera roll, ringtones, contacts, messages, apps, notes. Now we are downloading ringtones. How to download I will say. Okay, I have already downloaded 2 songs. You need this. You want to click on it. Okay. Before that, I will show a thing. Okay, I'll show. Okay, go to settings and sounds. No, ringtones. I have already 2 songs. Now I will show. Okay, don't off your iPhone, simply do it. Okay, select your M4R folder. Don't select MP3 or another. It won't download your iPhone. Okay, you want to select M4R. That's why I have downloaded M4R MP3 M4R converter. Okay, select it. and this also like this. I have download free. That by simply you simply click on remind me later. Okay, and you want to add files to it. Okay, the download has started. Signs in progress. The download have been finished. The download has been finished. Now check it. Okay, settings, sounds, ringtone. 3 songs are. Okay, look, this is my ringtone. Okay, thank you for watching this.